Morning ka-dreamers. So yan. Papasok na tayo sa work. Umandar din yung remote start ni Asher. Kasi dito sa malapit kami nag-park. Baka Wednesday na. March 4. Yeah, ayan. Tuloy pa din. Work. Mainit na. Kaya okay. Then, so 7:37 na. Kaya maaga naman ako konti. May tire pressure siya. Check natin yan pag
One eternity later.
Hello, ka-dreamers! Pupunta kami ngayon sa new school ni Kaden. Kakaroon siya ng interview there. And Ella!
Ella's new school.
Yes!
Ella's going to new school because Ella has done the grade.
Yes!
Hooray!
Ella is upgraded! Char lang.
Funny joke.
Kasi
Funny joke.
inggiters ang lola nyo. Kaya, ayun. So, sumaglit lang ako from work. Nag-break ako para matapos na yung 10:59 yung meeting.
Baba na kayo doon, diba? Walang parking. Street parking yung
Okay.
What do you do?
Left doors lang daw ang office. Pasok ka lang, left lang. So, yun. 11 na, so 10:59 na.
Right?
Yan na lang naman yung school eh, saglit na. So, hindi tayo late. Yan lang. Mga 2 minutes, no? 2 minutes drive. Yan na yun. Yan na yung school. This is your school, guys.
This is my school.
Yep. Staff only pala yan, parkingan. Walang ano. Saan ang papasok?
Ako din sa session niya sa
One eternity later.
Hindi na tayo, guys. Snowing na naman. Kaunti. Then, what can you say with your new school na?
It is so great.
You're going to school na on, do you call that? Monday, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
So tomorrow you're gonna say goodbye to your classmates at St. Angela, okay?
How about Madam Peter?
Madam Peters and Madam Lena, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna hug them, okay?
Okay.
You say, thank you, Madam Lena and Madam Peters. Thank you, classmates. Okay? Okay. How about Ella? Then, susulpot ka na, guys. Makain sila ng ice cream. Sobrang lamig kumakain pa. You want more? Uy!
A few moments later.
Guys, bababa tayo. Try natin yung doorbell namin. Matagal pa yata. Yan o. Natin ang doorbell. Sana gumagana na. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Lamig. Hi. Try natin. Napakalamig. Kaantay tayo. Ay, lamig. Grabe ang lamig. Tawagan ulit natin.